We're going to look at how to play presentations when Windows starts. So we'll select the Startup tab and the Settings button and check the box Automatically Launch Presentations or Playlists on Windows Startup. And now we're going to add our presentation, Add, and browse for your presentation. Mine is on a local network drive. So browse and select my presentation, Open and OK. Here I'm just using one display screen, but if you were using the Media Wall edition of Repeat Signage, you will see up to 4 screens with an option to select different presentations to display on each screen. So we'll just click OK, and you can see on screen 1 it's my presentation, and OK. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration how this works. So select Start Now, run the Windows Startup, and it is loading the presentation, and there it is. So I'm just going to right mouse click and exit this. Now there's a couple more things that you might want to do. When Windows starts, it normally comes up with a login screen for you to input your username and password. You might want to bypass this. So we'll select the Change Windows to Start Without Login screen, and remove the check out of the users must enter a username and password to use this computer, and select Apply. If you work for a company with an IT department, you might want to involve them because there could be security implications. So I'm just going to cancel this. And the other thing you might want to do is to change the Windows screensaver and power management. So this button here, change Windows screensaver and power management. And if you are using a screensaver, you can just change this to none. And if you want to change the power settings, this will open up the Windows control panel in the power options. So I'm just going to cancel this, and that's it. And the next time you start, your presentation will automatically play on screen.